So this time we will unplastic unwrap. I ordered this one from Amazon. I think this is the silicone rubber plus the screen protector for GoPro 9. From Ulanzi. It's made in China. So this is the Ulanzi G9-1 silicone case for GoPro action, but not indicated for GoPro 9. So made from China. This silicone casing have lens cap with suction cap. So it's indicated here in the screen protector, the GoPro for GoPro 9. So we will try the silicone protector for in our GoPro 9. I ordered this one for only 70 real. This is only additional protection for your for your GoPro. So it's nicely fit. Plus the silicone cap, the lens cap with suction cap. Can you see this one? Nice. Plus this nylon neck strap from also from Ulanzi, of course. Ulanzi have many accessories for GoPros. Maybe later after I install the screen protector. So the Ulanzi silicone rubber casing adds protection to your GoPro, and it really hugs the body of your GoPro. We'll try to fit this one. Nice. But I don't trust this. It's blurred. Okay, it's become blurred. I don't trust this sling because maybe this portion of your, because this casing is just made of silicone. Like that, and your GoPro, it's a little bit heavy, around 150 to 200 grams. It has also the opening here for the side. In the front, we will put the silicone rubber cover. Just press a little so the suction cup will work. So this is the front view of your Ulanzi silicone rubber casing for GoPro Hero 9. Side view, back view. Here, there's also an opening if you are trying to using the back door that have opening here in the port, so you can charge it without removing the silicone rubber protector, rubber casing. At the top, see that one, there's an opening in the speaker. So it's this product, it's very nice and neat for just for additional protection of your GoPro Hero 9. So we'll try to remove the silicone rubber casing. But I have an issue on this part, because if you put a screen protector in this area, that you, while you're putting the cover, the suction cup may remove your screen protector. We will try it later. See? Press a little to lock it. See that one? Actually, I like this rubber case. It's good. It's nice. Add additional robust to your Hero 9. And thumbs up to this product. Now we will try if the screen is our GoPro is still working nicely with the screen protector. So it's the same. It's nice. Now our GoPro Hero 9 have a screen protector, and your GoPro Hero 9 will look like this. Thank you for watching. Shukran.